Hello everybody, this video is about Lekam Waterfalls in Munnar. Lekam Waterfalls is one of the best tourist attractions in Munnar. Plummeting from a height of more than 50 feet, Lekam Waterfalls is set amongst deep verdant forest. The water collects into a small puddle right at the bottom of the falls and offers travelers an opportunity to enjoy its cold, mineral-rich waters. The spectacle of the gushing waters crashing against the rocky terrain is a feast for the eyes. The tuneful melody of Lekam Falls is best experienced after the rains. The tranquil surroundings coupled with thick flora make Lekam Falls one of the most coveted holiday destinations for couples looking for an unforgettable vacation in Munnar, Kerala. The best thing about this waterfalls is that it is just 200 meters away from the road and the water is crystal clear. One need not do any trekking or climbing to reach the waterfalls. The depth is also not too much, so that even kids can enjoy. There are a number of rocks in the pool where the water collects, providing a perfect place to sit and listen to the sound of the falls. Due to its visual treat, this is one of the most preferable destinations for tourists visiting Munnar. Lekam Falls is around 30 to 40 minutes drive away from Munnar city. This beautiful waterfall is located on the way to Marayur from Munnar and is set amidst dense flora and rolling hills, which add to its bewitching beauty. Epitomized with natural beauty and wildness, the Lekam Falls is an eye-catching nature's wonder. The silvery white water dropping from the rocky cliffs with Vaga trees in its backdrop is a unique, marvelous sight. Many photographers visit this place to capture the pristine beauty of Lekam waterfalls in their cameras. The waterfall is popular for trekkers as they get immense opportunities to explore the dense jungle and rolling hills surrounding the place. These falls are part of the Ervikulam stream, which is a part of the Ervikulam National Park. An interesting feature about this waterfall is that it starts from a plateau and not a hill, which is the case with most of the falls. The waterfall originates from the Ervikulam plateau. The crystal clear water originating from the core zone of Ervikulam National Park flows to river Pambar, one of the east flowing rivers in Kerala, which ultimately joins river Kaveri in Tamil Nadu. Lekam Falls are open to visitors on all days of the week from 8 am to 5 pm. The entry fee is a nominal amount of 20 rupees per person, regardless of one's nationality. There is no extra charge for taking camera or video equipment along. The winter months of October to March are the best as the waterfalls are intact and the weather is quite pleasant, even though afternoons can be quite sunny. For the convenience of swimmers, there are separate changing rooms for men and women at the base of the Lekam waterfalls. A toilet is also there at our disposal. At the entrance to the falls is a small shop that sells snacks. It is not advisable to get very close to the falls as the force is tremendous and it can cause one to hit oneself against a boulder and sustain injuries. After a bath, one can enjoy quail eggs, bread omelette or Maggi and maybe even take a good cup of tea. Ensconced in a green surrounding, Lekam waterfalls are enclosed by a dense collection of Vaga trees and boulders, which one needs to climb to get very close to the falls. Taking pictures apart, the falls are famous for boulder hiking and even bathing in the pool. One can also visit Vagure Valley, which is another picturesque spot bordering Lekam and take in the beauty of the Vaga trees, after which the valley is named. Visit Lekam in winter after the monsoons to sip in the beauty of the trees in full bloom. If one explores this place during the rains, you can see the streams creating multiple cascades, making this place a visual spectacle.